Hey everyone, Ishmael Collier is your realtor, associate broker with eXp Realty, and the team leader for the team of experts. Today I want to talk about buying a house. Yes, I understand that you're a tenant, you're renting your apartment right now, you're looking for your next rental, but I still want to talk to you about buying your own property. Just because you are renting right now and looking for another rental doesn't mean that you should not be thinking about buying a property. I want you to set aside a timeline for when you want to become a homeowner, and it is entirely doable. In fact, home ownership is actually more achievable than many people think. So for starters, set a timeline. When would you like to own your own house? Is it in 12 months from now? Is it in 24 months from now? 3 years, 4 years? Whatever the timeline is, set that timeline and write it down. Writing is first part of making it a reality. So write down your home ownership goal. Second thing is you want to talk to a mortgage lender. Again, I understand that you are nowhere near perhaps buying a house, or you think you're nowhere ready to buy a house, but it does not cost you anything to talk to a mortgage lender. Get a professional advice from a trusted lender as to where you stand in your ability to buy a house. And you'd be surprised that lender may tell you that you are actually ready right now. What do lenders look for when giving you a mortgage? They're looking for employment history, your income, your liabilities. What monthly bills are you reliable to pay? What assets do you have? How much money do you have in the bank, in your 401k, and so forth? And then what is your credit score? So these are 4 or 5 factors that a lender would look at in terms of giving you a mortgage approval. And so if you are lacking in any one of these areas or more than one of these areas, that lender can give you a plan of action of what you need to do to be ready to get a mortgage pre-approval and be able to buy a house. And that can set up an action plan for you to follow over the next 6 months, 12 months, 24 months, so that you can get ready to buy a house. Again, talk to a lender so that you can understand exactly what you need to work on, etc. Also, if down payment is what is holding you back, the amount of money needed to buy a house, for the money for down payment as well as closing costs, if that is what is holding you back, you'd be surprised that there are plenty of government grants available for people in your situation. So again, you may think that you're not ready to buy a house, but you may be actually able to buy a house sooner than you think, and you will be able to discover the answers to that by speaking to a real estate agent like us, as well as to a mortgage lender. If you need us to recommend you to trusted lenders, we're more than welcome to, happy to do that for you. Simply reach out and ask. And then also the lender can help you track your rent to income ratio. How much money are you spending on your rent per month out of your income, and how much of that can go towards buying a house and covering your mortgage, etc. So again, these are important topics that I'd love to discuss with you over the phone. My team and I are ready to help you create a plan of action to buy your own house, whether it's in 6 months from now or 24 months from now. Don't wait to have the conversation. Again, it doesn't cost anything to have the conversation, but it is going to give you clarity of mind. It's going to create a plan of action for you to follow for yourself and your family, and become homeowners for you to enjoy and grow generational wealth. My number is 914-540-8849, 914-540-8849. My team and I are ready to help you and your family. Thank you so much. Ishmael Collier is your realtor, associate broker with eXp Realty, and the team leader here at the team of experts. Take care. Bye-bye.